Hi, I'm Mike with Family Handyman. Now, whether you're a first-time home buyer or moving into a new house, the process can be very overwhelming. I'm here to give you a few tips to make that transition a whole lot easier. One of the best ways to find out if you and your family fit in the neighborhood is to get out and check it out. Take a few walks, one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and one at night. Talk to people, find out about the schools, and get a real good sense of the community. Now, one tip I can share from my own experience is that you should start a project and finish it. When I bought my first home, I opened up the kitchen, the dining room, and the bathroom, and they seemed to be all at once. Remember, you still gotta live in that house. Another thing you should do when you get into your new house is start a homeowner's journal. You're gonna wanna keep insurance stuff, receipts, any kind of repair work or appliance information in here so you can keep track of it. Another thing that I'd recommend is that before you do any sort of major renovation on your new home, live in the house for 12 to 18 months. Imagine doing a whole bunch of work on your bathroom and spending lots of money, only come to find out that you would rather have had a new kitchen. Another thing to check is the furnace filter. Checking the furnace filter can give you a good indication as to whether or not the previous owner took good care of the house. One more tip, offer to buy the tools. Especially in a situation where someone's downsizing and won't be needing the tools anyways, you could help them out and get a great deal at the same time. So for more home ownership and renovation tips and advice, visit us at familyhandyman.com.